Hi guys, welcome to my series IGSC past paper. Today I am going to solve extended math paper 4, Feb March 2024. Let's start with first question. First question is grocer sell potatoes, mushroom and carrot. A customer buy 3 kg of mushroom at $1.04 per kg and 4 kg of carrot at $1.28 per kg. Calculate the total cost. So in this question we need to find the total cost. Mushroom, let's write mushroom. Mushrooms will be 3 into 1.04, which is equal to $3.12, and carrot, it is 4 into 1.28, which is equal to $5.12. So our answer will be total costing is $8.24. So our answer is 8.24. Next, B part. In 1 week, the ratio of the masses of vegetables sold by the grocer is potato, mushroom, and carrot is 11 ratio 8 ratio 6. Work out the mass of mushroom sold as a percentage of a total mass. So, their ratios are P ratio M ratio C. This is equal to 11 ratio 8 ratio 6. So total of this is 25. So we have to find the mass of mushroom. M is of 8. So 8 out of 25 we have to find the percentage into 100, which is equal to 32%. So our answer is 32. Next, second part of B. The total mass of potato, mushrooms and carrot sold is this. So find the mass of carrot. We have to find the mass of the carrot. Carrot is 6 out of 25. So mass of carrot will be 6 by 25 of total mass into 1 by 500, which is equal to 360 kg. So our answer is 360 kg. 360. Next, third part. The profit the grocer makes selling the 1 kg of carrot is this $0.75. So find the total profit the grocery make of selling the carrot this week. So total mass is 360 kg of carrot. So for 1 kg he is making 0.755, and for 360 kg he will make the x. Let's cross multiply. Our answer will be x will be equal to 360 into 0.75. We will use the calculator for this, which is $270. So our answer is 270. Next fourth part of this. On the last day of the week, the grocer reduced the price of 1 kg of potatoes by 8%, $2 this. Calculate the original price of 1 kg of this. We have to find the original price. So reduce by 8%, that means 92%. That means 92% of mm, of original price. Let be original price be x. X, this is equal to $1.15. So 92 by 100 into x, this is equal to 1.15. So x is equal to 1.15 into 100 divided by 92. So x will be equal to 1.25. So x is equal to dollar 1.25. So our answer is original price of the potatoes is $1.25. Next, C part. The grocer buy 620 kg of onion, correct to nearest 20 kg. He packs them into a bag, each containing 5 kg of the onion, corrected to nearest 1 kg. ठीक है. Calculate the upper bound of the number of bags of the onion that he packed. Yes, we have to find the upper bound of the number of bags. Let's find the first error first. So error here is, here will be the error 20 kg means 20 divided by 2, which is a 10 kg, and here it will be a 1 kg means 1 divided by 2, which is equal to 0.5 kg. So upper bound of total mass of the onion, total mass, upper bound will be, lower bound will be 610 and upper bound will be 630. This is upper bound, this is lower bound. And each bag each bag each bag contain mass will be greater than equal to 4.5 and less than 5.5. This is the upper bound, this is the lower bound. Now we have to find the number of so number of bags, that is upper bound, this will be equal to total mass over me each bag containing the mass. Here this will be of upper bound, this will be of lower bound. So total mass upper bound will be 630 divided by lower bound of the each bag, that is 4.5. So which will be equal to 140 bags. Our answer is 140 bags. Next question number 2. A, B, C, D are the point on a circle. ADX and BCX are straight line. The angle BAD is X and DCX is Y. Explain why X is equal to Y. Give geometrical reason for each statement you make. Okay. So X is equal to Y. We need to prove that. Now let this angle be M. Right. Now angle M plus angle Y, this is equal to 180 degree angle on straight line. Straight line sum up to 180 degree. Angle M plus angle X will be also equal to 180 degree by cyclic quadrilateral. Opposite angle sum up to 180 degree. Now they both are 180 degree, so angle M plus angle Y, this will be equal to angle M plus angle X. Now angle Y will be equal to angle M plus angle X plus X minus angle M. Can cut this This will angle y will be equal to angle x. Hence, so so hence proof. Next, B part. Show that triangle ABX is similar to triangle CDX. So angle ABX we have to prove this. We need to prove. Let me change the color of my pen. Angle ABX. This is similar to triangle CDX. CDX. This, now angle X is equal to angle Y. We have already proved. So we can write angle BAD is equal to angle DCX, right? So we can write here angle BAX angle. This is equal to angle DCX proved above. Then angle AXB. This will be equal to CXT, common angle. And last angle ABX will be equal to CDX. If two angles of triangle is equal, then third angle will be also equal, right? By AAA similarity theorem, triangle ABX is similar to triangle CDX, right? Next part. AD is this, DX is this, CX is this. Find BC. Now, in above part we have already proved that triangle as triangle ABX is similar to triangle CDX, then their length are in proportion to each other. Therefore, AB over me CD, this is equal to BX over DX equal to AX over CX. Now let me make small triangle here so that you will be able to understand this question nicely, right? I will make the figure here. It is not on scale, guys. So this will A, this will be, let me D, this be X, this is C, and this is B, right? Now AD is 15, this dx is 9 given, then cx is 12, and bc, let bc be p. Now ax, bx is given, bx is p plus 12, bx be p plus 12. Let me change the color of this first. Yes, this is, we need to find bc, p, p plus 12 over 9, dx is 9, this equal to ax, ax is 15 plus 9, 15 plus 9 over cx, cx is 12. So we can solve p plus 12 over 9 equal to 24 by 12, is to p plus 12 is equal to 18, p will be equal to 18 minus 12, which is equal to c. So bc is equal to 6 centimeter, right? Next, complete the statement. The ratio area of the triangle abx ratio area of the triangle cdx equal to, okay, so this is equal to area of triangle abx over area of triangle cdx equal ax over cx square. Now this will be equal to 24 by 12 square. You can cut this. This is equal to 4 by 1. Now which is 4:1. So our answer is 4. Next, question number 3. The table shows the information about the marks gained by each of 10 students in a test. Marks and their frequencies. Calculate the range. Range is highest minus lowest remark. So range equal to, range is highest minus lowest marks. So which is equal to 20 minus 15, which is equal to 5. So our answer is 5. Next, calculate the mean. Mean, for mean, mean will be, mean this will be equal to summation of frequency into marks over mean summation of frequency, which will be equal to 15 into 4 plus 16 into 1 plus 17 into 2 plus 18 into 1 plus 19 into 0 plus 20 into 2 over me total number of students, which is 10. 10. Yes. So it will be equal to 168 divided by 10, which is 16.8. So our answer is 16.8. Next, find the median. Median, we know frequency is 10, so it will be a fifth and sixth term divided by 2. So fifth term will be 6, 4, fifth will be this and sixth will be this. So 16 plus 17 divided by 2, which is equal to 16.5. So our median is 16.5. Write down the mode. Mode is the highest occurrence value, which is the 15. So our mode will be a 15. Next B part. B part is Polo means mark is 4. 7 homework task is 17. After completing the 8 task, his mean marks is 17.5. Calculate the Polo marks in 8th task. So, for mean mark of 7 homework tasks. So, total of 7 homework tasks over 7, which is equal to 17. So total of 7 homework tasks will be 17 into 7, which will be equal to 119. Now 8th task will be 119. Let the marks in 8 tasks be M. So 119 plus M over 8, which is equal to 17.5. Now 119 plus M equal to 90, 117.5 into 8. 119 plus M, this equal to 140. M will be equal to 140 minus 119, which is equal to 21. So Polo's marks in 8 tasks is 21. Next part, C part. The table shows the percentage scored by each of 100 students in their final exams. So these are given. So draw the histogram. So we need to draw histogram for this. So we need to find frequency density in this part. So what the frequency density FD, this will be equal to frequency over class width. So class width will be this. This will be 30 minus 0 is 30. Then 50 minus 30 is 20. This will be 10. This will be 10. This will be again 30. Right. Now this will be 12 divided by 30, which will be equal to 0.4. Right. This is 18 divided by 20, which is equal to 0.9. Now 35 divided by 10, 3.5. 3.5. Next will be 20 divided by 10, which equal to 2, and last will be 15 divided by 30, which is equal to 0.5. Right. Next, let's draw the frequency density, this histogram. Now this is first is 0 to 30. I had already marked the points so that it will not take the time. So it is this and this, join this. Right. Next will be 0 to 50, 30 to 50. So this will be, and it is 0.9. Right. Now next will be 50 to 60. This will be, and 3.5. This will be like it. Next will be this will be 60 to 70. right? And last will be 7200, which is 0.5, right? This is our histogram. So you need to draw with scale, but on screen I can't use the scale, so I'm drawing like this. So this is our histogram, final look of the histogram, right? Next part. Next is question number 4, A part. The diagram shows the pyramid with square base BCDE. The diagonal CE and BD intersect at M at the vertex F is directly above M. So BE is 12 centimeter and FM is 9 centimeter. This will be height of pyramid, right? Then, and this is the base. Calculate the volume of the pyramid. So we need to calculate the volume of the pyramid, and we have already given the formula where A is the area of the base. So area is the square base. So area of base, this will be equal to, this is A, this will be equal to side into side, which will be equal to 12 into 12, which is equal to 144. Now a volume of the pyramid B of pyramid, this will be equal to 1 by 3 A into H, which is equal to 1 by 3 into 144 into height is 9. So this will be equal to, we will use the calculator for this, and our answer will be 432 centimeter square. So this will be our answer, 432. Next part, calculate the total surface area of the pyramid. So for this we need to open the net. So net will be look like, let me change the color of my pen. So net will be look like something like this. And it is a square base pyramid. So all this triangle will be equal. All the 4 triangles will be equal. So area, this is 12, this is 12. So for area, to find the area of the triangle, we need to find the area of this triangle, area, length of the height. So for length of the height, let construct on a picture this. Let me join this to this, right? This will be 90 degree again, and as we know this is 12, and this will be, if we join this with this will be 6 centimeter. So this is 9 centimeter and this is 90 degree. By Pythagoras theorem, let it be FM, be height. So we can find the FM by using the Pythagoras theorem. So FM will be equal to FM FM, this will be equal to, this is here, this is this will be equal to root of 9 square plus 6 square, which will be equal to 3 root 13. Root 13. Now area of triangle, this will be equal to half base into height. Half base into height, which is FM. And we know we have 4 triangles. So area of 4 triangles will be equal to, of 4 triangle, this will be equal to 4 into 1 by 2 into base is 12 into height. Height will be 3 into root 13. We can cut this, and this will be equal to, we will use the calculator for this. By calculator it is will be equal to 24 into 3, 72 root 13. Now we will find the total surface area. Total surface area, this will be equal to area of base plus area of 4 triangle, which will be area of the base is 144 plus 72 root 13. Let's we use that calculator for this. 44 plus 72, this will be equal to 403. This will be approximately equal to 403.599. So in 3SF I will take 404 centimeter square. This is 404 centimeter square. So this is 404. This is our answer. Now the B part. The diagram shows a toy made from the cone and hemisphere. The base radius of the cone and the radius of the hemisphere are both r centimeter. The slant height of the cone is 3r centimeter. The total surface area of the toy is this, 304 centimeter square. Calculate the value of r. So we need to find r, right, for this question. So total surface area will be equal to, we have already given the curved surface area of the cone, which is pi rl, and the surface area of the sphere is this. For hemisphere it will be a 2 pi r square. So total surface area of the toy, total surface area of toy, this will be equal to curved surface area, surface area of cone plus curved surface area of hemisphere. So this will be equal to, curved surface area of the cone is pi rl plus curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Just we need to half the surface area of the sphere. So this will be this. So this can be written as, this will be equal to pi r bracket l plus 2r, right? Now total surface area is given 304. Now 304, this will be equal to, and l slant length, this is given, this is l, this is 3r, right? We will substitute in this, pi r bracket 3r plus 2r, right? 304 will be equal to pi r into 5r. This will be 304 divided by 5 pi. This will be equal to r square, right? Now 30, this we will use the calculator for this. This will be equal to, now, and we can take 3, r will be equal to root of 304 divided by 5 pi. R will be equal, approximately equal to 4 0.39231814, which will be in 3 SF I will take R will be equal to 4.4. You right. So radius is equal to 4.4, right? This is centimeter. Unit is given, yes, centimeter. Next question. Next question number 5. Factorize this. For for this we will see sum as a sum will be equal to -1 and product will be equal to -12. So we will take 4 and 3, -4 into 3, this will be equal to -12, -4 plus 3, this is equal to -1. So x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 12, x minus 4 plus 3, x minus 4, x plus 3 and x minus 4. This is the answer, that is x plus 3 and x minus 4. Next, simplify this. For this, x square minus 4 square, 16 can be written as 4 square over this numerator can be written as x plus 3. We have already done above. Yes, here we will use the identity a square minus b square, which is equal to a minus b and a plus b, right? So this will be x minus 4, x plus 4 over x plus 3, x minus 4. We will cut it down. This will be equal to x plus 4 over x plus 3. So our answer is x plus 4 over x plus 3. Next, simplify this. Here also we will use the a square minus b square identity. A square minus b square, which is equal to a minus b and a plus b, right? For this, take this whole as a and this whole as a b. Now 2x minus 3 minus x plus 1. This in second bracket will be 2x minus 3 plus x plus 1. Now this will be 2x minus 3 minus x minus 1, right? For this is 2x minus 3 plus x plus 1. This will be x minus 4 and this is 3x minus 2, right? Now we can, so it is easy, x 3x minus 2 minus 4, this is 3x minus 2, this is 3x square minus 2x minus 12x plus 8. So our final answer will be 3x square minus 14x plus 8. So this is the answer, 3x square minus 14x plus 8. Next, C part. For C part, write as a single fraction in a simplest form. So for this, we will take numerators as a LCM. So here we will do x plus 1, x plus 1 x plus 1 and x minus 3, right? So this 2x plus 4 is multiplied by x minus 3 and minus x is multiplied by x plus 1, right? So here we can write, we will open the bracket for this. So 2x square, 2x is multiplied by this whole and 4 will be multiplied by this whole. So 2x square minus 6x plus 4x minus 12 minus x square minus x over x plus 1 and x minus 3, right? We will solve this. 2x square minus x square is x square, then this minus 7x plus 4x is minus 3x minus 3x, and remaining is minus 12 over x plus 1 and here x minus 3. So this will be our final. We have to write in a single fraction, so we can leave here, it is a single fraction. So our answer is x square minus 3x minus 12 over x plus 1 and x minus 3. Next part, D part, expand and simplify. For this, first we will solve 2 bracket and then next. So x will be multiplied by this whole and minus 3 will be multiplied by this whole. So x minus 5 minus 3 x minus 5, and we will put this as it is. This will be x square minus 5x minus 3x plus 15, and here it will be 2x plus 1, right? Next will be, this will be equal to x square minus 8x plus 15, here it will be 2x plus 1. Now 2x will be multiplied with this whole, x square minus 8x plus 15 and plus 1 is multiplied by this whole. This will be 2x cube minus 16x square plus 30x plus x square minus 8x plus 15. Now 2x cube will be as it is. Now minus 16x square and plus x square, that is minus 15x square. This will be cube. This will be cube. X cube, 15x square, then 30x minus 8x will be plus 22x and plus 15. This is our answer. 2x cube minus 15x square plus 22x plus 15. Next E part. Solve simultaneous equation. You must show all your working. Okay. This is, I think, 6 marks question. So we need to show all our working. So here with this we can find the y's value. Y value x equal to 13 plus 3y. Now x minus 13 this is equal to 3y, x minus 13 over 3, this is equal to y. We will substitute this value in this second equation, right? For this, 2x square minus 9 x minus 13 over 3, this will be equal to 116. 2x square, we can cut this to 3 minus 3x plus 39 equal to 116. Now 2x square minus 3x plus 39 minus 116, this will be equal to 0. Now this is 2x square minus 3x minus 77, this is equal to 0. Now we have to factorize this. For factorization, we need product should be equal to minus one product will be minus 154 and sum should be minus 3. So we need to factorize this. This we have 2 into 7 into 7 into 11. Yes. So 14 minus 11. This will be minus 14 and plus 11 is equal to minus 3, and minus 14 into 11, this is equal to minus 154. So we can factorize now. So by factorization, 2x square minus 14x plus 11 x minus 77, this is equal to 0. We will put 2x common, here x minus 7 plus 11 x minus 7, this equal to 0, x minus 7 and 2x plus 11, this equal to 0, that is x minus 7 equal to 0 and 2x plus 11, this equal to 0. Now x will be equal to from here 7 and 2x equal to minus 11 and x will be equal to minus 11 by 2. Now from there we have to find the y values. 3y, now 3y equal to x minus 13. So when x equal to 7, then 3y will be equal to 7 minus 13. 3y will be equal to 6 minus 6. Y will be equal to minus 6 by 3, which equal to minus 2. Here when x equal to minus 11 by 2, we have to 3y will be equal to minus 11 by 2 minus 13. 3y will be equal to minus 11 minus 26 by 2. 3y will be equal to minus 37 by 2 and y will be equal to minus 37 by 6, which will be equal to minus 6 1 by 6. So our answer is when x is equal to 7, y will be equal to minus 2. When x is equal to minus 11 by 2, y will be equal to minus 6 1 by 6. Right. Next part. will be question number 6. The diagram shows the triangle ABC, which AB equal to 17.2 centimeter, angle ABC is 54 degree, and the angle ACB is 68 degree. Calculate AC. So we need to find this length AC, this length. Now here we will use the trigonometry. Let me change the color of the pen. So let opposite to B, we will take the angle, length will be B, and C, this will be C, right? So here we will use the sine rule. From sine rule, B by sine B, this equal to C, C by sine C, right? We will use this formula here. So let me change the color, the pen. Now we will use this formula here. So B will be AC, AC over sine B. Sine B is sine 54 degree, sine 54 degree. This equal to C is 17.2 over sine 68 degree. Now this AC, this will be equal to 17.2 into sine 54 degree over sine 68 degree, right? Now we will use a calculator for this. So after calculating, AC will be equal to, it is approximately equal to 15.0079. So AC we will take, this is equal to 15 centimeter, right? So our answer AC is 15. Next, B part. B part, M lies on BC and MC is equal to this. Calculate AM. We have to calculate the length AM, right? Now we can see that two sides. We know B will, this we already calculate AC. AC is 15 centimeter, right? Now we have given the two sides and one angle. We will take AMC, triangle AMC. So here we will use a cosine rule. So from cosine rule, AM square, this will be equal to MC square plus AC square minus 2 into MC into AC into cos C. Why? Because of cosine rule. Now let me change the color. We will substitute all the values. Now MC square, this will be equal, no, I'm wrong. This is not MC square, this is AM square. AM square, this is equal to MC. MC is 12.8 given, whole square, plus AC. AC is already given 15 square. We have found it above, minus 2 into 12.8 into 15 into cos is 68 degree, right? Now AM square, this will be approximately 244.9910681 by calculator. Right now, a square we can take it as 245. Now a will be equal to root of 245, which is equal to 15.65 centimeter. So AM is equal to 15.65, right? Next part. Calculate the shortest distance from A to BC. So as we know, shortest distance is a perpendicular distance. So it is a perpendicular distance. So we need to construct one perpendicular from A to BC. Let me come over from A to BC. This will be BC. From A to BC, we will need to calculate one perpendicular. And this perpendicular is 90 degree. So we have to calculate, let it be P. We have to calculate AP, length of AP. So we can use the trigonometric ratio for this because it is 90 degree. We have already given the hypotenuse. We can use sine. So sine, this will be sine 68 degree. Sine theta will be equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse, which is equal to, this will be equal to sine 68 degree. Perpendicular is AP over hypotenuse is 15. So AP will be equal to 15 into sine 68 degree. We will use calculator for this. So AP will be equal to 13.9077 approximately. So AP will be equal to 13.91. So perpendicular distance from A to BC is 13.91 centimeter. Next part, question number 7. 7A part is P is given this and Q is this. So we need to find 3Q. So 3 minus 4 minus 5. This is not minus 5, this is plus 5. So this will be equal to minus 12 and 5 is 15. So this is our answer, minus 12 and 15. So we need to find second part, A part, P minus Q. So P is 8 minus 5. This minus 4 and this minus 5, right? So this will be equal to 8 plus 4 is 12 and 5 is 5 minus 10. So this is our answer, 12 and minus 10. Next, find modulus of P minus Q. So P minus Q is 12 and 10. This is equal to 12 and minus 10. So as we know, key modulus, for modulus, let me change the color so that I can explain you. So if modulus of AB, modulus of AB, this is equal to x and y, then this will be equal to root of x square plus y square. So here we will use the same, the color, same we will use the formula. So here this will be equal to root of 12 square plus minus 10 square. So this will be equal to 144 plus 100 root. We will use a calculator for this. This is equal to root of 244, which is equal to 15.6. This is equal to 15.6. So our answer is 15.6. Next, B part. B part. In triangle OMN, O is the origin. OM is equal to OM vector equal to A, ON vector equal to B. Right. S is a point on MN such that MS ratio SN. This is equal to 5:8. That means this MN, let me mark the points. MN is divided into two parts S with S. So their ratio is 5:8. This. So MS will be equal to 5/8 of MN, and SN is equal to 3/8 of MN, right? So find in term of A and B the position vector of S. So we need to find the position vector of S. That means we need to find OS vector. So OS vector, let me draw one line from this to this OS, and we have to mark this OS vector, right? Let me change the color first. OS vector. This OS vector is equal to OS vector. This will be equal to OM vector plus MS vector. So OM is already given. So we need to find only the MS vector. So MS vector is 5. MS vector. MS vector. This is 5/8 of MN vector, right? So what is MN vector? MN vector will be, this will be equal to minus A plus B. So MS vector, this will be equal to 5/8 bracket minus A plus B. Now OS vector, this will be equal to OM vector. OM is A plus 5/8 bracket minus A plus B. We are substituting the value in this equation, right? So OS vector, this will be equal to A minus 5/8A plus 5/8 B. Now we can, 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 OS vector, this will be equal to 3/8A plus 5/8 B. So this is our final answer, 3/8A plus 5/8 B. Next part. Next question number 8, A part. On a axis, sketch the graph of y equal to 4 minus 3x. Right. For this, we need the coordinate points. So let's make the coordinate point for this. This will be x, this will be y. When x is equal to 0, let's take 0, y will be 4, right? When x is 1, y will be 4 minus 3 is 1. When x is 2, y will be minus 2. Let's take one negative value of x also, minus 1. Minus 1, y will be 7. Oh, it is a bigger number, so we will avoid this number. Let's make, first we will point, this will be 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this will be negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, this is negative 4, this will be negative 5. Same way in y-axis, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will avoid this one. We don't have the 7. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and minus 5. On 0, it is 4. For 0, it is 4. This point, right? Then 1, 1, 1, 1. This will be our 1 to 1, right? And 2 to minus 2, 2 to minus 2. This will be our point. So let's join them. Yes, it is coming in straight line. Right? This will be like that one. Right? No, it is not that much nice. Let me try it again to join them. This will be, yes, this will be, figure will be like that. Next part. Next will be its B part. Right? B will be, on a axis sketch the graph of y equal to minus x square. So same way we will be take the coordinate points. So there, this is x, this will be y. When x is 0, y will be 0. Again, when x is 1, y will be minus 1. When x is minus 1, y will be again minus 1 only. Right? When if we take one more point, x is 2, y will be 2 minus 4. Now for minus 2 also, it is minus 4, right? Now we will make it. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. On y-axis, same way, 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is minus 1, minus 2, 3, minus 4, and minus 5. Let's, on 0, it is 0. This will be 0, 0, right? Let, then on 1, minus 1. 1, minus 1. This will be the point. On minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. This will be the point. Right? And then 2, minus 4. 2 will be minus 4. I think this will be the point. And minus 2 again minus 4. This will be the point. So our parabola will be look like something like this. No, it is not coming, right? Let me construct again. Right, from there also. Something like this, right? Right? Next question. Next C part. Find the coordinate of a turning point of a graph y equal to this. You must show all your working. For this, we need to find the coordinate of a turning point. So as we know, at turning point, our gradient equation of the gradient, this will be equal to 0. So dy by dx, this will at turning point, dy by dx, this will be equal to 0. So first we need to find dy by dx. Dy by dx, this will be equal to 9 into 2, which is 18, x raised to x, minus 2 into 6, 3 is 6, x square. Now 18, this will be equal to 0. Now 18x minus 6x square, this is equal to 0. We will find the common factor 6x. 6x is here. This is 3 minus x, this will be equal to 0. From here 6x, this will be equal to 0, and 3 minus x, this will be equal to 0. So x will be equal to 0. Second is x is equal to 3. So now we know y equal to 10 plus 9 x square minus 2x cube. So when x is equal to 0, then y, this will be equal to 10 plus 9 bracket 0 square minus 2 into 0 cube. So y will be equal to 10. Now when x equal to 3, then y will be equal to 10 plus 9 bracket 3 square minus 2 3 cube. So we will use the calculator here. We will find y will be equal to 37. So our two coordinate points will be, one will be 0 and 10, one will be 0 and 10, other will be 0 and 10, other will be 3 and 37. Next, second part, determine whether each turning point is a maximum or minimum and show how you decide. So for turning point to be a maximum and minimum, we need to find second derivative. So say for second derivative, d square y by dx square, if it is greater than 0, then it is minimum, and if d square y by dx square, if this is less than 0, then it is maximum, right? Let's find d square by dx square. We know dy by dx square by dx, this is equal to 18x minus 6x square. Now d square y by dx square, this will be equal to 18 minus 12x. Now when x is equal to, when x is equal to 0, then d square y by dx square, this will be equal to 18, which is greater than 0, so it's a minimum. So it's minimum at x is equal to 0. So it's a minimum at x equal to 0. Now second part, when x is equal to 3, when x equal to 3, that is d square y by dx square, this will be equal to 18 minus 12 into 3, which is equal to minus 18 minus 36 is equal to minus 18. So d square y by dx square, this equal to minus 18, which is less than 0. So it's a maximum at x equal to 3, and here y will be equal to 10, and here y will be equal to 37, right? Next, next part, question number 9. Question number 9 say Jaina and Kamal each invest $8,000. At the end of 12 years, they each have $12,800. Jaina invests in an account that pays simple interest at the rate of R% per year. Calculate the value of R. So, as we know, simple interest formula for the simple interest will be equal to P principal into rate into time over 100, and simple interest will be equal to amount minus principal, right? So amount will, first we need to find the amount, this interest I. So amount will be 12,800. So I will be equal to 12,800 minus 8,000, which will be equal to 4,800, right? So we will put the values in this. So 4,800, this will be equal to principal is 8,000 bracket into, sorry, this will be into 8,000 into rate of interest is R into time is 12 over 100, right? We will use the calculator for this, and this is, we can cut this. So 4,800 divided by 80 into R 12, this is equal to R. So R will be equal to R 5%. Rate of interest is 5%. So our answer R is 5% per annum. Right. Next part, second part. Kamal invests in an account that pay compound interest at the rate of R% per year. Calculate the value of R. So we need to find rate of interest, right? And in a compound interest. So compound amount, this will be equal to P principal bracket 1 plus rate of interest over 100 raised to the power t. So let's substitute these values. So compound amount is 12,800. This will be equal to principal is 8,000 bracket 1 plus r by 100 raised to the power time is 12 years. So 12,800 divided by 8,000, this will be equal to 1 plus r by 100 raised to the power 12, right? So this will be equal to, we will use a calculator for this, and this will be equal to 1.6 will be equal to 1 plus r over 100 raised to the power 12. So 12th root of 1.6, this will be equal to 1 plus r by 100, right? So we will use a calculator and find this value. So it will be equal to 1.039944410 approximately. This will be equal to 100 plus r by 100. We will multiply by this. This will be 103.99 to a 3SF. This will be equal to 100 plus r. Now r will be equal to 3.99% or 4%, right? So I will go for 3.99%. right? Next, B part. The population of the city is growing exponentially at the rate of 1.8% per year. The population now is 260,000. Find the number of complete year from now when the population will be first be more than 300,000. Now, now for this is a question of exponential growth, right? So we will use same compound interest formula for this. This will be I will taking the exponential growth as EG. Exponential growth, this will be equal to P. P is the initial population, 1 plus rate at which the population is increasing, that is R by 100 raised to the power time. So in this question we need to find time, that is how many year complete year when the population will be this. So exponential growth is 300,000. This will be equal to 260,000 bracket 1 plus r rate is 1.8. Yes, 1.8 over 100 raised to the power time. Time we need to find. This is 300,000. This here 10. No, right. Let me write it nicely. This is 300,000 over 260,000 equal to 100, that is 101.8 over 100 raised to the power t. So this we will use a calculator for this and we will find this will be 1.153846154, approximately this will be equal to 1.018 raised to the power t. Now for finding the we will use trial and error method. So 1.018, let me try for raised to the power 5. 5 is the middle term, so it will be equal to 1.0932 and something. So we have to go for the next value. I will go for 7. 7, it will be equal to 1.1331 like that. Okay, so it is also below, so let's try for 8. 8 will be 1.15340, something like that. Now this is near, 8 is near to our value, so but here this is 8, this is 4, so it is below. So let's try for 9 also. Either we can guess that it it is above 8 year, so it will go for 9 year. So 1.17416, something like that. So our time will be between this, right? So we have to find the number of complete year, right? So we will go for 9 year. So our answer is 9 year, right? Next is question number 10. The table shows some value of for y equal to this. Complete the table. So we need to complete the table. We will use the calculator for this. For minus 3, it will be a minus 2.5, and for minus 0.5 it will be a minus 1.25, and for 1 it is 5.5, right? And next, on a grid draw the graph for this, right? We need to plot these points on a graph. So I have already marked the points because it will be very hard for me to do it on a screen. So I have already marked it. If you have any doubt, please write on a comment box. I will solve it. So let me join these points. I will try to join this point. Slowly I will do. Right. Next will be here. It will be mm, it is right. Yes. This will be how our graph will look like. Right. Next B part we have done. Right. Next part will be C part. By drawing a suitable line on a graph, solve the equation this. Right. Our original equation is, let me check for the original equation. Our original equation is 2x cube. Original is equation is 2x cube plus 6x square minus 2.5, and by solving this is 2x cube plus 6x square minus 4.5 equal to 0. Right. We can now we have a difference of only by right, 4.5 and minus 2.5, we have a difference of 2 plus 2, right? So we will add to both the side. So if we add 2x square cube plus 6x square minus 4.5 plus 2 equal to 2, the equation will not change, right? So but we will make this equation to a original equation. We will converting this to, this is how we will do. This will be equal to 2x cube plus 6x square minus 2.5 equal to 2. If you take this to here, this will be our this equation, right? So this we have already done. This will be equal to 2. What is this 2? 2 is, this whole equation is equal to y, right? So y is equal to 2. So we will make y equal to 2, one line on y equal to 2, right? Let me expand the this. Okay, then y equal to 2 is this. So y equal to 2, we have to make one straight line, right? Y equal to 2, we will do this. So y equal to 2, I think it slowly we I'm doing, right? This is y equal to 2. This is y equal to 2, and this is the 2x cube plus 6x square minus 2.5, right? This is y equal to 2. This is y equal to this, right? Now we have to solve for x, right? So we have to find x. X will be, these are the x point coordinates, x, this point and this point. Let me change the color of my pen so that you can understand in a better way. So how we will look for the x value? So here what is the x value? This is our x value, right? This will be approximately minus 2.65, right? Here it is 2.5, then here it is 2.5, 2.6, this is 65, right? This is 2.65 minus 2.65, and other is this, this will be approximately minus 1.05, minus 1.05, and other will be this, this here this is a 5, this is 0.85, 85. So x value, now we have already find the x, we can write it this values at there, x will be minus 2.65 or minus 1.05, or it is 0.85, right? Next part, the equation this have exactly two solutions. Write down the two possible value of cake. What is this? This equation. First, we this this means y. This equation, this is equal to y. That means y will be equal to k, where the k is having only the two solutions. Right? Two solutions will be. Let me change my color of the pen. Where it will be either at this point or at this point. If you draw a straight line over there, you'll find only the two solution, this, right? I was not able to make a straight line, but you can understand it, right? This. So what is the y value at the here? We can see when x is 0, y is, when x is 0, y is minus 2.5, and this is when x is 2, the here 5.5. So y is either, k value will be either 5.5 or minus 2.5. So this will be equal to either 5.5 or minus 2.5, right? So our answer will be this only. So we will write, hopefully you understand this part. So if you have any doubt, write in the comment box minus 2.5, and next will be 5.5, right? Now next question number 11. It is composite function question. So for first part, first we need to find f2. So for f2, this will be equal to 1 by 2, which will be equal to 0.5. Now g 0.5, this will be equal to 3 bracket 0.5 minus 5. This will be equal to 1.5 minus 5, which equal to minus 3.5. So our answer is minus 3.5. Next, second part, g inverse of x. Let y be equal to 3x minus 5. So interchange change variable x and y. So x will be now equal to 3y minus 5. Now x plus 5, this equal to 3y, and x plus 5 by 3, this will be equal to y. So g inverse of x, this will be x plus 5 by 3. Next, find in its simplest form this. Okay, now gx already given, gx this equal to 3x minus 5. Now g x minus 2, this will be equal to 3 bracket x minus 2 minus 5, 3x minus 6 minus 5. So this will be equal to 3x minus 11. So our answer is 3x minus 11. Next part, C part. Find the value of x when this is equal to this. Now gx, what is fx is 1 by x. and gx, it is given 3x minus 5. So we have to put gx to f function. So f 3x minus 5, this will be equal to 1 by 3x minus 5, which equal to 0.1, and 0.1 can be written as 10, 1 by 10. So 1 by 3x minus 5, which equal to 1 by 10. We will cross multiply them. So 10 will be equal to 3x minus 5. Now 10 plus 5, this will be equal to 3x. Now 3x, this will be equal to 15, and x will be equal to 15 divided by 3, which x will be equal to 5. So x will be equal to 5. This is our answer. Next part, hx minus gx is 7 is equal to 0. So this can be written as hx, this equal to g7. Now hx is given 2 raised to the power x. This is equal to g is 3, 7 minus 5. 2 raised to the power x is equal to 21 minus 5. 2 raised to the power x, this will be equal to 16. 2 raised to the power x, this is equal to 2 raised to the power 4. So x will be equal to 4. Our answer is 4. Next is question number 12, A part. The diagram shows the circular radius 12 centimeter with the sector removed. Okay, calculate the perimeter of the remaining shaded shape. So we need to find the perimeter. So perimeter, for first we need to this, this, and whole this. Right? It is not very nice, but you understand what we need to find, right? Ignore this. So perimeter of the shaded region. First we need to find the arc length of the major sector. So arc length, let this be A, this be B, and this is center O. AB, arc length of major sector, major sector sector AB. This equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Now first we need theta. Theta, we here this angle will be 360 minus 50, which is equal to 310. So arc length, this will be equal to 310 over 360 into 2 pi into radius is 12 centimeter given. So this will be equal to, we will use the calculator for this and we will find it. This will be equal to 64.926. This is equal to 64.92624, right? Approximate, this is approximate. Now total perimeter will be equal to perimeter of shaded shape. This will be equal to, we have to add this both radius, 12 plus 12 plus 64 point, we will take it as 9 only in a 3SF. So this will be equal to 88.9 centimeter, right? So our answer is 88.9. right? Next, B part. The diagram in part A shows the top of the cylindrical cake with the slice removed. The volume of the cake that remain is this. So calculate the height of the cake. So we need to find the height of the cake. So let me make a small figure for you so that you can understand it easily. Our cake will be this, and this is removed, already removed from this whole part, not right. We have to find this height, h height. So as we can, let me change the color of pen. The volume of the cylinder we know, right? Volume of cylinder, this is equal to pi r square h. What is this? Is the area of this, right? So this can be written as area into height. So first we need to find the area of this base. So this area will be area of the base, area of base, that is A. This equal to theta by 360 into pi r square, which is equal to theta is 310 by 360 into 360 into pi into 12 square, which will be by calculator, which will be approximately equal to 124 pi, right? Now volume of the cylinder already given, volume of the cylinder is given. Cylinder is equal to A H. Now this is 3510, this equal to 124 pi into H. Now H will be equal to 3510 divided by 124 pi, which will be equal to approximately equal to, this will be equal to 9.01. So our answer is 9.01 centimeter, right? Next, this is the last question. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Thank you.